sustained an empire now chokes for life. The Yamuna, Delhi's lifeline, has become a drain. But with the new government in making, will things finally change? Or is this just another political gimmick? For years, the Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party have blamed each other for Yamuna's pollution. But now, after a landslide BJP victory in Delhi, the Yamuna cleanup has finally begun. In 2015, AAP promised a clean Yamuna within 5 years. 10 years and crores of rupees later, the river remains a toxic drain. During the 2025 Delhi elections, the BJP seized this failure, making the Yamuna cleanup a major campaign promise. Modi called it a betrayal by AAP and assured voters that BJP, with the centre's support, will finally clean the river. During the election campaigns, BJP promised to start Yamuna Kosh to clean the river. PM Modi, on the eve of BJP's victory, highlighted his party's commitment towards making Yamuna clean. As a result, before the new BJP government officially takes over, a large-scale cleanup operation has started. Right now, I'm standing near the bank of Yamuna River at ITO Barrage. Here, 3 skimming machines and a JCP is in progress to clean the river, and at the banks as well, grass cutting and cleaning processes are underway. The cleanup process is divided into 4 steps: debris and still removal, cleaning toxic waste from the rivers and drains like Najafgarh, sewage treatment boost, upgrading plants and constructing new ones to treat millions of gallons daily, interagency coordination bringing together Delhi Jal Board, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, Delhi Development Authority and Pollution Control Boards, as well as strict regulations for cracking down on industrial waste dumping. Cleaner Yamuna isn't just a political tussle, it is a legal battle as well. The National Green Tribunal issued directives in 2015 for establishing 32 additional sewage treatment plants, but none was completed till 2019. The same year, NGT also directed that the floodplains of Delhi cannot be allowed to occupied, as such occupation could damage the ecology of the river. To keep the Yamuna free from encroachment, there has been another challenge for successive governments in Delhi. In 2023, the National Green Tribunal formed a high-level committee for Yamuna cleanup, but the Aam Aadmi Party challenged this, claiming that the centre was encroaching upon the state's jurisdiction. This legal dispute moved to Supreme Court, and an order for effectively halting its operation after just 5 meetings was issued. Promises have been made before, but BJP has a deadline this time: a cleaner Yamuna in 3 years. Will it finally happen, or will the river remain a political pawn? Delhi waits, watching keenly how politics may finally pave way for saving its most precious river.